They ended up letting us back in the building after we was the last people out there. They was like, oh, ma'am, you got 27 seconds. I was like, who the fuck in charge they found in 27 seconds? She definitely gave us a nice show. Told her, like, in nursing school, they ain't gonna be pulling this bullshit. Imagine if you would have went to nursing school right after you finished high school. It's too much. Look at him. Get out of my yard. Oh, I'm not gonna cry for me. Son came in, gave him a full bottle of vodka. So they decided to let him stay here. His pupils all dilated. I don't want to deal with it.
I like my hoes to be free, nasty. Going to sleep, smash. They like to wear the same thing like they twins. Don't tell me your name, calling you ass.
Can I have your number 9?
Okay.
Mocha frappe.
You'd like to round up for the Ronald McDonald House Cherry?
No, thank you.
Say yes or no?
No, thank you.
Okay, come on up. Second one, first one, though. Thank you.
Thank you. Period. Today is Thursday. I dropped Micaiah off at school, at work. Dropped her off at work and stopped at McDonald's and got me a bagel and a hash brown. I was gonna try to get my house together. I wanted to step out tonight. I'm so happy to be doing another vlog, guys. That Nicki Minaj concert was Jizzo. So glad that I went. Even though we had a few hiccups, yeah, we had a whole lot going on. We ended up taking an Uber, Micaiah's idea. First off, Nicki Minaj was 2 hours late. Then her DJ that travels with her kind of kept us like occupied. We was doing like whatever. It was turned in there. I was like, I'm finna go get me something to drink. They was serving alcohol. Well, I got to the counter and realized I didn't even have my wallet. So I couldn't get nothing to drink. So we used our phones to vlog everything. Not even thinking we need these phones to call the Uber. Exhausted both of my phones. I was trying to charge her phone. I'm like, let's go. Like, let's get out of here. I'm trying to beat the crowd, not thinking Micaiah's phone is like totally dead. Girl. We ended up stranded. Long story short, once you left, they wouldn't let you back in the building. They ended up letting us back in the building after we was the last people out there. Like, nobody was out there. They was like, oh, ma'am, you got 27 seconds. I was like, who the fuck in charge they found in 27 seconds? The concert was really dope. People was telling me, like, before, you going to see Nicki Minaj grind the flow? She don't do a good performance, but she actually did. She did do her little floor play, but she definitely gave us a nice show. And she seemed like she was just so humble and sweet. Never have been to a concert that big before. And I didn't notice they be smoking weed in concerts. I hate the smell of weed smoke. I looked over at Micaiah like, girl, you smell that? She was like, yeah, they smoke. And I was like, where the fuck they do that at? But we had a good time. I'm thinking that I might as well go ahead and cut the grass first before I get in the shower. This is what the grass is looking like. First cut of the season.
beamer, that's a big gift. Chrome heart got me kissing on his best friend. Put in work, baby, you could be my best friend.
How are you guys doing? It is morning time. Today is Saturday. Just got up to take Makai to clinicals. I don't know why she waits until the last minute and asks me to do stuff, but she does that. Told her, like, in nursing school, they ain't gonna be pulling this bullshit. Right now she's in STNA school. So I was telling her, like, you can't go like 10 minutes before it's time to be at clinical to your damn clinical. She has a rude awakening when she gets in nursing school. A part of her nursing, she has to get her STNA. And it's pretty cool that they are making people get their STNA. I'm not sure if they was doing that when I was in school, but it's pretty cool because a lot of these nurses don't know how to do STNA. I think that should have been like a requirement before now. Anyways, I'm at Kroger yesterday, got some groceries, and I forgot butter. I want some cream of wheat so bad. Like, I don't know what it is. I don't know how y'all eat your cream of wheat, but I eat my cream of wheat really sweet. Last night I slept so freaking good. I got that shower. I was out there mowing that lawn. I'm telling you, that is exercise. Like, I don't have to go to the gym when I mow the lawn, and that's why I enjoy doing it. I be looking for different ways to get in, you know, calorie loss. Yeah, to sleep at like 9 p.m. perfect timing. Woke up at like 6. Get it cracking. Oh yeah, today we have a funeral in the family. If you follow me on Facebook, I already posted. I'm gonna say this is my mom's first cousin.
Place your item on the desk. Your total is 1048.
Okay guys, we are back at the house. I got ordered my original country crock, and I got some Tennessee sausage, the turkey smoked. I got these. Hopefully these are good.
Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better. Is this what you want now? Or is it because you can't forget her? I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah, so I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Yeah, you better go, go, go. Go, 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 go. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself.
Okay, babes, we are ready for the funeral. I got on some little bracelets, a little ring, and some slats, ankle boots. I'm uncomfortable because, honey, I got to work tomorrow tonight. So, yeah. I love my makeup. So cute.
Day 3.
Good morning. Did you see him watching you? Some dinner, guys. I got some curry chicken, shredded cabbage. I got this plantain. I also got me some mac and cheese. So this has got to be dinner. Oh yeah, and this big ass piece of cornbread. Yo, when I say I have been sleeping, I have been sleeping ever since I stayed up for that 24 hours for my cousin's funeral. I can't catch up on my sleep. I woke up and I was so hungry. But I already had a hunger headache, so I just went and got me some food.
I'm about to take my seat.
It all come to pass. When you look at this day, you're gonna be like, thank you, Jesus. It seems like it's so far away right now. Imagine if you would have went to nursing school right after you finish high school, you would be done now. So that time, you think you're missing out on something, but you're really not. Just think about what you didn't miss out on. So just continue to work on your goals and continue to strive every single day for what you want, and it'll surely come. And then it's gonna be one day where you be able to sit back and relax and see all your fruit. And the good thing is you're gonna be young.
Yeah, that's all I was like, let me just go ahead and hop on it. I'm first working out.
Yep.
I'll be in my 30s for life.
Yep. Chilling. All right, love you. Big ass dogs in my damn yard. It's too much. Look at him. Get out of my yard. Go home. Go. Years I sacrifice. And you can leave me at the drop of a dime. Swallow my tears, step by your side. I should have left you as 1,000 times. Oh, I'm not gonna cry. Yeah.
We ain't stopping at no lights. Little wrist on froze, look like a bag of ice. Walk out the lavish stove, 1250.
Period.
For me.
Let you flash you with a icy filler for me.
I wanna go home. I wanna go home. We missing a nurse, so it's only 2 nurses. That means I have 2 halls. And then one of my patients decided to get toasted. His son came in, gave him a full bottle of vodka. The CMP told me to send him out. Did all the paperwork, all the charting, called 911, and he gonna say, I don't want to go to the hospital. So they decided to let him stay here. His pupils all dilated. He talking about he didn't took all the drugs in the world. Like, oh my God. I don't want to deal with this.
Worth of earned income that she brought with her, but she had 2 children that she was claiming, and he was like, I really can't do nothing with this. Like, you're not gonna get no like his $3,000 of earned income for the whole 2023. He's like, you literally have nothing else. Like, this is it. And she kind of hesitated, and he's like, what? Tell me. He was like, this is a no judgment zone. Like, he said, I've been doing taxes for over 20-something years. Like, what's your other income? And she's an OnlyFans model.